Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is the Novatabz Peppermint Toothpaste Tablet. You're going to get 62 tablets for brushing your teeth, so just one tablet in your mouth, crunch it up, start brushing. This is going to be peppermint flavor. It's going to be Nano-Hydroxyapatite, so it's basically going to start fizzing in your mouth, which is really nice. You get a nice sensation. These are going to be fluoride and SLS and plastic free, and enamel care, so it's gentle on sensitive teeth too, which is nice. And I like how it just comes in this jar versus carrying a big tube. So when I travel, I like to bring a nice tablet or these tablets because it's just easier to travel with these, and you don't even need to bring this whole jar. Let's say you're gone for a few days. Just put a couple of these in a baggie or in something smaller if you like, and then you're bringing your toothpaste with you. Super easy to carry with you and travel with this too as well if you wanted to carry the whole thing. 62 tablets in this. If you're brushing twice a day, this is about a month's supply of toothpaste. So really overall a nice alternative to tubes of toothpaste. So I highly recommend this. Check out this company, Novatabz, for peppermint flavored toothpaste tablets. And a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do this review.